I'm delighted to be joined by Sami Komulainen, who's Executive Vice President of Production at Elisa, and Randy Cox, who's Vice President of Product Management at Wind River. Thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you.
Now, Sami, last summer you announced that you had deployed the first fully automated edge data center for commercial service, able to reduce staff hours by up to 90% through your collaboration with Wind River, which is very impressive indeed. So can you tell us how you achieved this amazing result and tell us more about the role that Wind River played?
Yeah, thank you. Well, let's start from the most important element. So it's a long-term targets regarding the service quality, customer perceived quality, and as well as the efficiency, how to improve efficiency. It's a long-term trip through the continuous improvement, how to go improvement in efficiency and quality. And this is the remarkable step in that sense when we think about full cloudification end to end. And of course, it's important that we have trusted partners like Wind River. When you set up targets together and focus on that, you can do whatever you want, so everything is doable. And yes, it was, like I said, it was a remarkable step when we think about the full cloudification end-to-end and autonomous driven networks towards that. It's very remarkable.
Yeah, thank you, Sami, for the opportunity. I think having 90% efficiencies improvements is awesome, and we're using our Wind River Studio Conductor to be able to help us with that automation and saving you cost, and the ability to automate a full network from end to end is really awesome. From really a dark site to enabling downloads and install and deployment all the way to the CNF is really amazing, and we're happy to be able to help you in that.
Sami, Elisa runs a fully automated LightSat NOC, and Wind River Studio Conductor is a part of that. So can you give us more details on how and why you use that solution?
Well, of course, it's a part of our kind of a journey towards a fully automated and fully autonomous operations. When we think about these capabilities, what we get from it, it's a part of the cloudification. What we believe is the kind of a next phase. We have done a lot of automation since 2010, and now we see the kind of a new opportunity when we could fully kind of cloudify our operations from core to edge, and which is important. Why it's important go from core to edge, that we could get the full stack from the core to customer edge, that we could build the fully automated operations through the whole chain. Because if you do some parts only, it's only partial. So you can't get the full power from the different kind of AI tools and that's why it's important that we find all the time new areas what to automate and cloudify with Wind River.
Yeah, I think the cloudification aspects of things and how that plays into the success and the benefits of an O-RAN type technology now. We'll see further benefits when you take that from just maybe from a core deployment all the way to the far edge, where you're deploying tens of thousands of sites. You need this automation in terms of scalability, flexibility, and then reducing the total cost of ownership in terms of efficiencies.
So how does it all translate into value for your partners and customers?
Yeah, well, of course, we have innovated and built these capabilities, what just mentioned, by ourselves and with kind of trusted partners like Wind River. And of course, it's the one way to kind of provide to our customers. So our subsidiary, Elisa Polystar, is providing these innovations and capabilities to other operators. And that is the one element, of course, here. And we do together now demonstrate one remarkable step regarding the monitoring solution for the cloud together with Wind River and Elisa Polystar here in the MWC today.
Sami, Elisa decided to deploy core applications using Wind River. So can you tell us a bit more about this?
Well, again, it's much about partnerships and trusted partners and good cooperation. We have done a long kind of a partnership and very open discussion and built the kind of similar targets, built the kind of a common focus, and through that it's easy to develop together with the Wind River and Elisa people. So it's about the trust and kind of a cooperation, and then we can get whatever we want and everything is open. So that is maybe the most important: people, trust, and cooperation. Of course, technology comes after, but those are the most important elements from our point of view.
Yeah, and we definitely sense that, Sami. I think I've always referred to our relationship more of a partnership than customer and vendor. And we really appreciate that, because that's where truly what's happening is more collaborative and innovative. And so that relationship for us is just awesome. It makes us better and then ultimately provides you great solutions. So,
Finally, what's next for your collaboration?
Well, we were looking always kind of breaking boundaries, and I want to be the front runner, because we see the kind of benefits when you do the first things in the world and you find the innovations first in the world. Through that we can provide value to our customers and stakeholders. I think that we continue with that together with Wind River and breaking those boundaries and do the new innovations and build value for the customers and stakeholders together.
Yes, and we're looking forward to that, Sami. Wind River's known for being high performing at the far edge, but our product and solution can work from the core to the edge. And today we're just working at the core, and we're looking forward to actually expanding into be your total cloud provider in the future.
Sami, Randy, thank you very much.
Thank you.